What's up, mystical fluff butts? My name is Amelia Jasper, and in case the last video I uploaded wasn't a spoiler for ya, I have a new apartment. Well, new. I've been living here since early May, and I actually really enjoy it. It's nice to have my own space. I can practice openly, and I don't have to worry about my mom coming in the middle of a ritual saying, "What the fuck are you doing?" Yeah, it's nice. And yeah, this is my new couch. I know it may look like one of those typical ugly 80s couches, but it has a little bit of charm to it. And I got it for less than $100, so hey, a couch for less than $100. How am I supposed to say no? Yeah, it's great. I love it. I actually have a full desk for my altar space now in my living room. And I have a couple of plant babies, Ferdinand and Sylvia. I'll probably make a video about the two of them at some point in the future. And yeah, they're currently watching me record this video because I have them propping up my phone, which I'm using as a camera. Yeah, that's nice. And I had to turn off the window fan so that you guys didn't hear any blinds clanking together in the background. But yeah, on to the main purpose of the video. I have another box full of crystals. Again, from Mystic Dragon's Lair over in New York. And hey, wait a minute. Oh, I thought I smelled something plantish. Enough dilly-dallying. I've already wasted enough of your time. Almost 2 minutes of your time. Let's get into the meat and potatoes. I've said it before on their live streams, and I'll say it again on camera. I am addicted to crystals, and Cassie, Mama Squirrel, and Scott are my dealers. That may be a terrible joke, but hey, there are worse things in the world to be addicted to than crystals. Yep. Of course, you got the lovely invoice with their absolutely gorgeous business card, which I am going to show you guys on the camera. Sorry if it's backwards. That's something I'll have to try to fix in post-production. Ooh, okay. I asked them to put a little note saying what was in a particular item in this box, and they actually put it on the bottom of the invoice, so I only saw one thing off of that list, which is why I had to throw it down immediately. I do not want spoilers. But yeah. All kinds of paper. Whee! What'd you do that for? You'll have to clean that up later. Eat. Oh. Oh. Did that... Oh. Was that supposed to go in there? Well, it seems that I have some smoke cleansing materials. It looks to be 3 sticks of Palo Santo and 1 bundle of, I'm guessing, white sage? Oh yeah, that definitely smells like sage. I wish you guys could smell this. This is divine. Oh. Yeah. But it also makes your nose tickle. Anything else at the bottom here? I don't think I'm missing anything. I'm gonna put this at the on the floor now, because of reasons. And you get to the get this little bundle fully cased in bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. I'm gonna have fun with that later. And this is the Aries sachet that I got because they were showing a bunch of different zodiac bags, and I'm like, hey, do you got any for Aries? And they're like, yeah, we do. Sign me up for one. So they did. And this is the group of crystals in it, without the red coloring. Sorry if my hands are shaky, I just got off work and I am relaxing, technically, which is why I'm wearing pajamas. Go figure. Ooh, this is pretty. Very pretty. Let us see what is all in the Aries bag. Amethyst, carnelian, bloodstone, green aventurine, howlite, and Apache tears. Seems fitting. Stones to amplify the fiery passion of my sun sign, but also stones to come off the adrenaline high. Yeah. I don't exude any of the leadership qualities of my sign. It just makes me an emotional wreck. Go figure. Okay, new drinking game. Take a shot for every time I say go figure. Or so in this video. I can't actually do that because I am not of legal drinking age, but if you are, go for it. I'm not gonna stop you. Wow, you're such a dork. I know I'm a dork. But now the pièce de résistance, even though I butchered that, the mystery box, $75 mystery box with $100 worth of goodies at a discounted price, because Cassie and Scott are wonderful people, and so is Mama. Let's crack into this puppy, shall we? Ooh. Ooh, it's all nice and wrapped. And the first thing that fell out, this absolutely adorable sticker. I love this sticker. What am I gonna put it on? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Ooh. All this lovely wrapping. I love how they ship their things. They're nice and sturdy, nothing gets chipped. Ooh. What is this? All I know is that it's $10. But like, seriously. What is this? I love it. Sorry for my terrible camera skills. But, ooh. Alright, let me turn it around, show you the back. You can see outside. Or plants. I don't know. So there's that. This looks like a big bunch. Let's see what's more. They didn't. They didn't. Oh my gosh. No. You guys. I'm almost positive that this is one of their pieces of healerite. Damn. You guys, this is... You didn't have to. I love you guys. And of course, amethyst. Can't go wrong with a piece of this. Lovely. Meow. Meow. All the crystal porn. Don't tell anyone I said that. And I think this is a carnelian or some sort of agate. I think it's a carnelian. I'll look at the list later and see what's in here. Yeah. You guys. And then the next little bundle. Ooh. Ooh. This gorgeous little number. I'm pretty sure that this is ocean jasper. I could be wrong. But oh my god, look at the layers! If you can see it. Look at those layers! Wow. It fits so nicely in the palm. Ooh, this is making my hand tingly. Urgh. Love it. And the last little bundle. I promise you guys this is the last little bundle. You won't have to sit through this for much longer. Let's play a game. Can I figure out how to open this? Another little piggy. Ow. What got on there? I don't know. So we have a gorgeous piece of tiger's eye. Gorgeous little piece of tiger's eye. Look at those bands. And on the front of it, I know it's probably backwards, but it says relax. Everybody needs a little bitty reminder to relax. That's phenomenal. And we got a little bitty number of, I'm not entirely sure what this is, but look at it, it's so pretty. And this is the back, and front, bottom. No, this isn't. You guys. Did you include a piece of lapis? You seriously put lapis in here? Oh my gosh. Dude. This is... Whoa. This is great. My first piece of lapis. You guys. You really outdid yourselves. Das ist wonderful. Das ist wunderbar. Odd. I don't see the mystic in here, but you know what? At this point in time, I'm not even mad. You know, they probably put it in someone else's box. That's fine. You know, make someone else's day. I love the smell of this. Now to see what is actually in this little mystery box for certain. Mystery box. 2 Palo Santos and 1 sage bundle. But they put 3 sticks of it. Okay. I'm not gonna argue. Ocean Jasper Palm, Relax Tiger's Eye, Lapis Lazuli Palm, Bumblebee Jasper Bumblebee Jasper Tumble, Healerite, polished piece of Healerite, large amethyst tumble, large carnelian tumble, I was right, and then a garden quartz tower. Oh, is that the thing? Yeah. So this was the garden quartz then. Nice. Hang on, let's see if it'll... It does stand on its own. That's nice. You guys. I'm in love with all my new Rocky friends, as always. This is great. But even with the crystals and the herbs and woods and stuff aside, I am really excited. Hang on a second. I'm really excited to do something with this box. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna paint it. Or if I'm gonna paint it. Or if I'm just gonna put a clear coat varnish on it. I don't know. The world is my oyster. I can do whatever I want with this box. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this box. But, you know, I'll probably make some sort of video of it. That sounds nice. But anyway, I should probably think of some sort of outro. I got one. Cassie, Mama, Scott, you guys really outdid yourselves, as always. Thank you for being awesome people. You guys make each one of your live streams like a relaxing evening with a bunch of friends. I always feel like I can just come out of my shell and talk about crystals with you guys. Because there's someone there always willing to listen. And it's lovely. Everybody deserves a group of people like that they can just open up to. And I know that Pride Month is technically over on the calendar, but whether it's Pride Month or not, all of you guys, no matter what your sexuality, your gender identity, whatever mix you guys are, you deserve to be loved and accepted and cared for. So yeah, if your family does not accept you for who you are, I'm your new mom, or your auntie if you would prefer. Dinner's at 6:30, mow the lawn, get some sleep, drink your water, I know I don't always follow that rule, but stay hydrated. And until the next video, whenever that is, stay smart, stay safe. I love you. And take care of yourself. Bye, guys.